healthy babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, how are you? My name is Diana and my channel is all about motherhood, self-care, and weight loss. If you like all that, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button down below and comment and let me know what things you want to see next. All right, so this is week 3 of my weight loss update. All right, so if you guys don't know, I am on a weight loss journey to lose 100 pounds. I've already lost 20 pounds, so I have 80 to go. This is going to be my 3rd weight loss update that I'm doing for you guys because I'm coming to you weekly, just letting you know what new things I'm trying, what new things I am doing. So guys, this week was really rough. I added back in seafood to my diet and I had miserable gas pains, constipation, all of that. So I'll probably be limiting that a little bit more and just sticking to whole foods and just plant-based foods only because I felt amazing from head to toe. I did lose 2 more pounds, so I am officially in the 230s. And I worked out approximately 2 times this week. So guys, that is where I'm at now. If you don't know, my starting weight was 260 pounds on January 1st. And now today is February 6th. And I am 238 pounds. My BMI has dropped. My inches have gone down drastically, a little bit faster than my pounds. And of course, now that I'm about to start actively working out, I'm expecting to see some up and downs on the scale. But it's okay because I'm bringing you guys along for the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's get into what is new for this week. I'm going to be starting a program with Beachbody. And I just got my kit today, so I'm going to open it for you guys and just show you guys what amazing things come in the kit. So, okay. So this is like, it breaks it down by workout. So workout number 1, hold on y'all, Jesus Christ. This says workout number 1 and it talks about the density, the complexity, and the Tabata. It wants to know how many reps you did in each program. So it's HIIT, but it works on building muscle density, doing complex workouts where you're working out more than one muscle group at a time, and one workout in Tabata, which is like cardio and calisthenics mixed together. It's 3 phases. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna be doing for the next 9 weeks. So I'm gonna be letting y'all know if it's contributing to anything. But look, let me tell y'all what else comes with the kit. This is like clutch, right? It comes with this amazing resistant band kit that you hook on your door, and you're pretty much able to do like every workout. I'm gonna have to show y'all. Matter of fact, I'm going to be trying to drop some exercise videos for you guys weekly, and I'll let y'all know how this works. If y'all interested in signing up for any of the Beachbody programs, let me know. I'll put the link down in the bottom. You can email me, comment, whatever it is. But let's open this. Y'all, I don't know what is wrong with me. I am not the biggest, like, oh, I love working out. But the gear, the clothes, all of it is just life for me. Like, I just love it. So, this is also a little resistant band. And it comes with instructions to put the whole thing together. This is... I'm assuming these are the things you, like, hold in your hand when you're doing it. Y'all, isn't this cool? This kit comes with, like, everything that you need to be successful on this program. And I guess these are extra ones. Y'all. And another extra one. So me and hubby about to get this together. Y'all, get y'all a workout partner, accountability partner. If y'all need me to be y'all accountability partner, I will. It makes the journey a lot easier when you're not going through it on your own. Ain't that right, babe?
Of course.
Y'all want to see my sexy husband? Come here, babe. Come here. Come here. Oh, this is my favorite part. I could not wait to get this thing. Y'all gonna look at it and be like, what is this? And why is she so excited? But this is a ball. These are, you blow it up And it's like a squishy ball, right? So it's like you use it to like go under your back, under your leg when you're doing certain exercises, and it's like supports you. And it's really soft and squishy and flexible. I have never had one of these, so I'm excited. Oh, baby, looks so good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. So yeah, the man is gonna put all this stuff together for us. You, me, and all of us. He's gonna put it together for us.
Hello.
Okay, so he's gonna put all this together for y'all. So maybe I'll be able to cram it into this video. I don't like my videos being that long because I don't be want y'all to miss vital stuff. And I know some of y'all be scrolling to the next, and the kids do. But it comes with this little book. And the book is like a guide to everything that you need. Some of the workouts are really quick. This was like what I like as well. But this is the shake. And this is plant-based, y'all. And it's absolutely amazing. This is the only protein shake that I can do that does not give me adverse side effects. Because I get side effects from all of it. I don't know if it's the whey, the protein, come with this shake ball. Like everything you need, it comes. Like you don't need nothing else. These containers. Pretty much what you do is each container, it comes with stickers in here. You label them. Fruit, veggies, grains, oils, even salad dressings. And pretty much they give you a plan to follow. And based on the plan, you can have a certain amount of that color a day. So when you're fixing your food, you put your food in the container and then you put it on your plate. So you've measured it all out. You don't need no weight scale. You don't have to calculate your macros because it does it all for you. And it's an app. All you have to do in the app is just put how many containers you had at each meal. And you kind of know how much you can eat. So it does the portion control for you. You don't have to calculate calories. And also it is designed to help you lose weight without hitting a plateau. Look, y'all, they got these cute little stickers. So you get the shake, which is a part of the program, which is going to help you be able to stick to the program. You have the Beachbody On Demand that's going to give you your workout. You have all of your things to help you along your way, to hold you accountable. So you don't even got to wonder, where do I start? What do I need to buy? What is essential? Don't have to worry about none of that because it comes with all of it. And then this right here is a 2B mindset program. This is going to help you program your mind to be able to achieve all of this. Oh my gosh, y'all. It's literally like a daily journal. Like, how cool is that? I don't know. Do y'all want to get it? Because at this point, y'all just want to get it.
I want it.
You want it? He want it. Look, he want it. He like, why you ain't buy me one? But look, it come with 2 extra things. So we're going to hit the workout together. He loves this shake. So I'm pretty sure we're going to do the shakes together. He took my other bottle. So I just want you to know the black one is mine. You keep the red one. I'm ready, y'all. So that's what I am doing starting on Monday of next week. So y'all already know where my weight is currently. I'm already telling y'all what program I'm doing. If y'all are interested in trying this program, let me know. Y'all gonna see the good, bad, and the ugly. Y'all know me. I share it all. So if y'all have any questions, again, let me know. Make sure you guys are hitting the notification bell so you're not missing any of my weight loss videos. You're not missing any of my motherhood videos. And until next time, stay healthy.